Let's do the inverting amplifier simulation using LTspice. Select the required components. Take OP07 as op-amp. Bias it with 12V DC dual power supply. For that, take two separate power supply and invert the polarity by pressing Ctrl R and ground to the other terminals. Ground the non-inverting terminal. Place the resistors R1 and feedback resistor R2 with values 1 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm respectively. Make all the suitable wirings to complete the circuit. Also add the input power supply that we need to amplify. Take the value as 1 volt DC. Make the simulation as transient and stop time as 0.01 seconds. Run the simulation. Remember that the output voltage is given by the equation R2 divided by R1 multiplied by input voltage. Hence, if we charge the resistance value, we can amplify the input signal to required level. But remember, the maximum limit is 12V biasing level. The blue line indicate the output level which amplified and inverted. We can also it for AC signal. For that, select Advanced Power option and give the AC parameters. Here also the signal was amplified and make 180° out of phase with input. We can change the feedback resistance value and observe the change in amplification. In this video we perform both DC and AC signal amplification using op-amp. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.